You work in product management.
Yeah.
You know, like it's been always kind of like a frustration to turn ideas into not features, but sometimes even validating the idea, right? You need to work with design, maybe get the mock-up, have user feedback, and then work with engineering. And engineering is overwhelmed with production tickets on support and things that need to be fixed and new feature development. So that's why I think also PMs, all the PMs that I usually hire are really good technically, and now with AI they will be able to take it to like 3-4 steps further by themselves.
So you recently commented on this idea of writing first versus prototype first cultures. Talk to me a little bit more about what the future of the role looks like, the future of the PRD in this world.
I'll tell you a personal story about that. And I think that built a lot of success in my career. That's more than 10 years ago. But I'm from Spain. I moved to the US. My English was very, very rough. And we had this kind of like big meeting with a lot of big executives, how to reimagine how the next machine learning platform is going to be. And at that time, I still remember I had the meeting in 2 days. And I was really struggling to articulate all the ideas that I have. So I said to myself, I'm going to build a prototype. And to my surprise, in that meeting, everyone was just talking and showing slides. And I was the only one that was showing. I was showing the product. You can touch it. You could see it. It was nothing close to production. It was all kind of like fake, but giving the ideas and the art of the possible. And guess what? I got to lead the project. That became the kind of like the default and the path forward. So I think that's what is happening right now. Before I had to just get hands-on, start coding, and do a lot of the work. I could have done that now in maybe like 3 or 4 hours.
Yeah.
So now with all the tools, I think every single PM should have access to vibe coding tools, different options out there in the market, to just kind of like skip ahead and show some of those ideas directly into working prototypes. And that also helps a lot with communication. The teams I work as well, they are worldwide. So there's also language barriers. A lot of the work in big corporations is all about communication, and that communication is either in meetings or written or in GitHub repos, So a lot of things are missed in translation. So I'm a big fan of showing and skipping a lot. And even if you write the most beautiful, detailed PRD, still a lot of information is lost in translation, and just there is nothing that speaks better than just a working prototype.
I hope you enjoyed that short clip. You can check out the full episode here.